Today we do have the unboxing of the Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch, and without any further ado, let's unbox this. And this is the MacBook Pro, and yeah, this is the 8 GB 512 GB SSD model. Yeah, it's Type-C. The performance of this computer is very impressive, as I see online. And yeah, let's unbox this. And I'm very excited to check this computer because when it compares with the Intel chips, it's uncomparable. I mean, the performance is like great. So let's unbox this MacBook Pro. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay. So damn tiny though. Oh, wow. Dang. Let's keep this to the side. Here, let's check out all this stuff. You have the usual Type-C to Type-C USB cable, and you have the documentations. Check what comes with this. Is that all? Yeah, that is all. Okay, what is this? Okay, whatever. We do have the MacBook Pro and this touch bar, all those just like this. We do have another one, MacBook Pro. Okay, it's in different language. It's in Chinese, I guess. And these documentations, it's also in Chinese. And good old space gray Apple stickers. I've gone with the space gray model because I like space gray. Not that I hate silver color, but prefer this. This. It's a part number and the orders stuff. Okay. And we do have the power brick, not the power brick, power plug adapter. It's I don't know. And the charging adapter itself, I guess. Yes, it is indeed. I think 61 watts this is. Yep. Yes, this is 61 watts USB Type-C power adapter, and the charging brick, 3-pin power brick, the Type-C cable. So yeah, that is all that comes with this MacBook Pro. And here's the moment of truth. Oh yeah. So satisfying. Okay, MacBook. Oh boy, it smudges though. what is this? The designed by Apple in California. Okay. Oh boy, how do this watch this? Yeah. So let's click this on and open it for the first time. Dang. That good old Macintosh sound. It's already powering up.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. Let's set this up later though. To give a closer look at this. It has the display itself and the touch bar. Is the trackpad. MacBook Pro. I love this touch bar though. Yeah. Backlighting. Good old 720p web camera. 720p or for 720, I guess 720 or 480. And yeah, it's very light. And by the way, we do have the Touch ID also, and refined key layout because the butterfly keyboard was like terrible. Just separate escape key. Yeah. And let's wrap this up with this one. We do have the, let me go through all this stuff that comes with this MacBook. We do have the MacBook Pro itself and this documentation. And we do have the Type-C to Type-C cable and the charging wall plug, and the charging brick itself. And the charging brick itself. Yes, that's all that comes with it. Yeah. So that is the unboxing of the early 2020 MacBook Pro with M1 chip. So that is the unboxing of the MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 8GB 512GB SSD model. That is the unboxing of it. So thanks guys for the watching. So peace out.